Now my dear students, we'll do exercise 9.1 and from that we'll do question number 6. Okay, we are doing the chapter height and distances, that means application of trigonometry. So today we are taking question number 6. In this question, what is given? There is a 1.5 meter tall boy, right? Let us say this is the boy and the height of boy is AB, which is given in the question as 1.5 meter. This is AB and the height of the boy is 1.5 meter, which is given in the question. This boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So there is a building. Let's say this is the building. This is showing the level ground and CD is the building, right? So we will write here what we have taken as AB. AB is the height of the boy and which is equal to 1.5 meter. CD is the height of the building, right? And what other things are given? The height of the building is 30 meter. This is 30 meter. So it is 30 meter. Okay. Now saying that the angle of elevation from his eyes. Suppose whenever we observe the things which are at some height, and suppose we are observing it from point A. So this angle with between the horizontal, this is horizontal, and this line, and what we call it as? We call it as line of sight. Means if we are here and we are observing this thing, and with horizontal, this angle is known as angle of elevation. So in the same way, the boy is observing the building. So boy is observing it from here. That means the eyes are here, just near about the point A. Okay, and he's observing the top of the building and the eyes are making an angle of elevation 30 degree. That means this is the line of sight and we have to draw a horizontal, and according to the question, this angle is 30 degree. One more thing I want to tell you, that suppose if we are here, right, and the angle of elevation is this one. If we move towards the object and then after some time we will observe the same point, then this angle will increase, right? So that means if we are moving away from the object, angle will always decrease, and if we are moving towards the object, angle will always increase if you are observing the same point, right? So that's why here also what is saying, if the boy is at somewhere and he's observing the point C and making an angle of 30 degree, the angle will changes to 60 degree when he moves towards the building. Now let's say the boy will reach here at this point, and let us say now the points are A dash and B dash. Now if he is observing again the point C, the angle of elevation will be 60 degree. This is according to the question. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance covered by the boy. That means we have to find out B dash, or because B dash is equal to A dash, that means we have to find out A dash. Okay, this is the angle of 90 degree, and with the help of these right triangles, C, let's say this point is M, C, I'll just make it in a proper way, CMA dash and CMA. These two right triangles will help us out for solving, for getting the distance covered by the boy. Also, we should know that because this is a parallelogram, these two horizontals are always parallel, and the height again should be parallel. So that's why it will be a parallelogram, and 1.5 is the height of the boy. This must be the 1.5 height of the boy, and AA dash should be equal to BB dash. Okay, this must be also in the same way as 1.5, that means MD. So we have AB equal to A dash B dash equal to MD equal to 1.5 meter. But as CD is 30 meter, right, and MD is 1.5. So what about this CM? Can you tell me the value of CM now? CM we can find out by subtracting CD and MD. CD was 30, MD was 1.5, so it must be 28.5 meter, right? So the CM should be 28.5. Now we have find out all the things related to the figure. Now we'll move to the right triangles. Okay, so first we'll take the right triangle CMA. So in right triangle CMA, we have this CM. So this is perpendicular for this angle. Again I am telling you, if this is the angle, this is right angle, this must be the hypotenuse, side opposite to the right angle, and the angle on which it is made, this is always base, and side opposite to the angle is always perpendicular, right? And we can just use to write it as HB and P. So in right triangle CMA, CM upon AM, let's see what it will be. It is perpendicular by base, and perpendicular by base, you should know that it must be tan of that angle, that means tan 30, right? Now tan 30, we know the values. CM we have 28.5, AM we don't know, and tan 30, what is the value of tan 30? Can you tell me? Yes, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. I told you all about these values and the ratios in my previous videos of 8th chapter. Okay, so you can, if you don't know, you can watch them too. So this AM will go here and this will come here, so it will be 28.5 root 3 is AM. Now we have the value of AM as 28.5 root 3. Leave it up to here, and just move to the next right triangle. And now the next right triangle will be, you can guess it, you can find it, you can observe it in right triangle CMA dash. Am I right? Okay, CMA dash, again take the same ratio, perpendicular by base, that means CM by A dash M, and again we know that CM means perpendicular by base should be the tan, and tan of 60 degree now, because we are taking CMA dash angle triangle. So CM again 28.5, A dash M we don't know, and tan 60, you should be aware of the value of tan 60, that means root 3. So from here, if A dash M come here, will come here, and root 3 will come here, so 28.5 by root 3 is A dash M. This is the value of A dash M. Now we have both the values A M and A dash M, and because we have to find out the distance covered by the boy, that is BB dash, and BB dash is equal to A dash. So that's why now we will have to subtract these two values and get the answer. So BB dash is equal to AA dash, which is equal to AM minus A dash M, and AM we know that this is 28.5 root 3 minus A dash M is 28.5 by root 3. So further you have to solve it. What we'll get? Take the root 3, and before that you can take common 2. It will make your question easier. 28.5 is common. You are left with root 3, 1 upon root 3, and it will be, take LCM now, LCM will be root 3 into root 3, 3, and this will cut out, we'll get 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and finally 28.5 by root 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you're left with this irrational number in the denominator, so you have to rationalize this one, and for rationalizing it, what we have to do, we have to divide and multiply this number by root 3. So what I got, 28.5 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Finally, we are left with root 3 into root 3 is 3. Can you cut it? Yes, you can. So you just cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are, and 3 fives are, and now 9.5 into 2 is 19 root 3, right? And it is in meter. So therefore the distance covered by the boy is 19 root 3 meter, and this is our answer. I hope you can understand the question. Thank you.